If you have a commercial driver's license and you take prescription drugs, you should know the DUI laws do not necessarily create an exception for this. This is Christina Williams with Just Criminal Law.
And David Mann, legal storytelling specialist. All right, so I can see where there might be a belief that there's an exception, but what's the story?
Well, if you live in your commercial motor vehicle, that is, you're an over-the-road truck driver, you obviously have a CDL, but you may need to take prescription medications. And so in the back of your mind, you might always be wondering if or when I get contacted by law enforcement and they start questioning me about whether or not I'm under the influence of prescription drugs, what should I do? So I've got a few tips here that can help you out.
Yeah, because I would imagine somebody who has that type of job is sort of living in their truck. They have to do all the things that they would normally do every day, so prescription drugs. But those can sometimes be interpreted as intoxication, getting you intoxicated.
Yes, and if somebody's taking their medications as prescribed, which is my first tip, and they're in need of this medication, and it can actually make them a better driver, whereas somebody who's maybe abusing the same medication might become intoxicated. So law enforcement sometimes has a hard time drawing the distinction. They're not medical professionals. So number one, always take your prescriptions as prescribed if you're an over-the-road truck driver. And then number two, you'll have to get an annual exam to keep your CDL valid. And so make sure you have very detailed notes from your doctor as to what prescriptions you take and why, and that the doctor actually authorizes that you operate your motor vehicle while you're taking these prescriptions. So that's number two. That's
great. Those are easy to follow.
Yes. And then number three is just universally my advice to anyone. If law enforcement has asked you, have you been drinking or are you taking controlled substances? And the answer should always be, I do not want to discuss my day. Now, inevitably, the officer will keep asking you questions, and you again just, hold to that. I really need to get back to what I was doing. And then if the officer continues to question you about it, you need to just let them know, I'd like to have my attorney present and I'm not going to answer any more questions. And that's really what you need to do in the situation if you're being questioned by an officer in your CDL truck. And, you can always make the officer decide whether or not they're going to give you a ticket. But by getting involved in the investigation, you can only make your situation worse. You really can't make it better if you're in fact taking your prescription medications and the officer suspects, that you're doing so and it's not as prescribed, or that you're not able to safely drive. And so that's my universal advice, but it especially applies to the CDL driver.
Okay, so take your prescription medications as prescribed, and then if you get stopped, really just say, I'm not talking about my day, I don't want to talk about my day, but have that doctor's note ready just in case, right?
Right. I mean, have the doctor's note ready for your attorney. I wouldn't necessarily talk to the officer about it, but to have that available for your attorney should you get a ticket, that will make the case go much more quickly and get a better result than, if you don't have that medical verification.
All right, so their attorney should probably be you, and how might they get in touch with you?
We'll include a link in the description where they can call, text, or chat with a member of my team anytime, day or night. Here at Just Criminal Law, we know you only get one shot at justice, so make yours count.